What companies need are not just engaged employees who simply get their jobs done. They need connected employees who help to push innovation, agility, and efficiency across the entire organization. My name is Kim Carpenter. I'm a global executive coach, speaker, trainer, and founder of People at the Center. As a speaker, I inspire and connect to C-suite leaders, executive leaders, and teams around the world. For employees to show up as their best self at work, they need to be connected to what they're doing, connected to their team members, and connected to the overall mission of the organization. I've had a front row seat to see how people work well when they're connected. They can sell more, they can produce more, they can overcome bigger challenges together. And that's why bringing people together for events, in person and virtually, serve as a catalyst for deeper connection and inspiration. Who you have leading and speaking at your events matters so much. And that's where I come in.
Good morning, everyone. It's so great to be here with you. Today, we're talking about the neuroscience of trust. Who can guess what this has to do with our topic today? In our prefrontal cortex, we are using our executive functioning, logic, reasoning, rational thinking. It looks to see, are these things that are happening matching my worldview? How I think the world is, how things should be. We have the greatest amount of trust when the worldview out there matches our view. In that meeting, when that person looked at me funny and I had that feeling, that wasn't the first time I ever had that feeling, right? I probably had that feeling when I was 3 years old and I got in trouble for something. So these are familiar, and they're brain patterns. They're neural pathways that get grooved into your brain, and they happen over and over and over. So anytime something similar happens, you're gonna pop right back into that groove. And have you ever noticed that when you do have situations where people feel really heard, they calm down? There's more trust. Even if you disagree, even if you are completely arguing or debating a topic, when they feel heard, you really heard me, or I feel heard for the first time. But here's the fascinating part of it. When we stop having the socially disconnected thoughts, the connected part of our brain automatically fires back up. So our default state is connection. Business today is more complex than ever, and teams are having a hard time not sacrificing quality for speed. So how do companies work with more agility and speed without burning out their employees? The key is connection. We want to create win-wins and mutual success. And this happens when you work together to create those positive outcomes together. When you have situations where there's trust missing, this would be a really good place to start. Where are we on the same team? Maybe we're not on the same team in this conversation, but where are we on the same team? Where can we find a mutual shared goal that we can both get behind? Inside of teams, which is the work that I'm doing all of the time, I see over and over that in order to have any level of high performance, you have to have connection. 125,000 incredible women giving their own precious personal time to make a bigger difference, to be involved in community all around the world in 4 different countries and however many different languages that is, and feel the ripple effects that your connection with them has. And think about all of the people that are going to be served all over the world with the work that you're doing. One of my favorite parts of my job is getting to connect with company leaders and event managers to really understand the biggest challenges that their audiences have. You can have the most talented and intelligent employees in the world, but if they are not connected as a team, they will never accomplish their full potential. I customize every single event and training session that I do to the needs of your audience. And I do that so I make sure that this isn't just nice information to have, but it is transformational and causes real, lasting, positive change. It would be my pleasure to work with you to add value to your next event, offsite, or leadership training initiative.